Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn on notifications and sounds on Messenger. You go to Messenger app. Here we click in this sign of menu. Then we click on settings. After that, you click on notifications and sounds. And here we click in this sign. If the sign changed, then you know how to turn on notifications and sounds on the application of Messenger, as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.